At 18, I was managing $500,000 in monthly revenue for one of the largest retailers in America. And as you can imagine, I was making minimum wage. So I wanted more. Although that was a great experience, I got to work and started listening to Audible. I really tapped in to try to get as much from them as I could. So even when I was at work managing this $500,000 in sales, I'm learning, dude. That set me on the path I'm on now, where I've just literally been crushing books on business, marketing, any knowledge I can, and to reverse engineer success on every level. 21, marketing company rolling. We were profitable after. We actually had the first legally insured drone marketing company in San Diego. Dominated the real estate marketing game with that. Right after, best friend and I, we actually designed the intellectual property that helps cannabis investors house licenses. Complex system, but basically we found a way to save them millions of dollars and hundreds of hours in time. But after all that, as much as I loved it and I learned so much, I would not trade it for the world. I was fucking burned out. I did not care about the money anymore. I did not want to talk to any more investors. I didn't want to sit behind a computer anymore. I was done, bro. I still had a passion for business and marketing, but I needed a break. I was grinding so hard. So what I did, I got my captain's license. I love being on the water, I love doing boat stuff. Started sailing boats, making money doing that, and building businesses on the side because I loved it. To me, I made a decision shortly after my corporate sales job. I didn't want to be in it for the money anymore. I wanted to do something that I love. That was super important to me, and I truly believe this. If you do something that you love and that you're passionate about, and I guess the passionate part can be argued these days, but check it out. For me, I found that if you're doing something that you enjoy doing, making a good positive impact, do you. A lot of us can all agree. The new wealth is freedom. It's not all about the amount you're making. It's about the freedom that you acquire from the amount you're making and how you're making it. For me personally, my favorite thing about AI, it removes all excuses. Literally, it'll tell you straight up if you're the one that's in your own way. Sometimes we're all guilty of it. We prevent ourselves from making the changes needed to accomplish what we want to accomplish. With AI, you can now cut to that much sooner than you would previously. That's why I built ProPrompts. There's no better time now to take that leap. Build the life of your dreams. Straight up, if you don't wake up excited about the life that you're living, you got to change something. I'm a firm believer in that. Wake up excited. If you're not willing to wake up early because you're trying to get as much out of that day and this life as possible, then you need to change something. You should be waking up stoked. Stoked to be alive, to build, stoked to grow, stoked to help people. That's what it's all about. There's no better time, especially with ProPrompts and ProPivot AI. I've built a crazy system that makes everything with AI and building a business super simple, literally copy paste simple. So hit me up. I'm happy to help. This is why I do it. I really do love helping build businesses. I love helping people. Building businesses and marketing stuff, that's just my hobby. I love that shit. So hit me up. Let's do it.